Jetzt. Really strong beer. Never even eaten it.
Wanna drink it too fast either.
And then
I almost burst this.
almost came out.
No, I'm good. That was just too many.
Oh, I got it.
I don't know what's a better strategy, is to sip or to chug.
To chug.
I think this is really gross.
Dude, you have not had any beer.
I didn't think you were gonna be able to.
Line second shotgun is good. How you? He's not looking.
Wow, okay. I was literally expecting that.
Keep it going, dude.
Second beer. Third beer. That's 4 minutes on the video, but bearing in mind, guys, I was talking a minute. It's fucking 4 beers, guys. Noob.
My nose is bleeding. You scratch your nose. Oh.
But I'm always drinking these fucking things, and it's basically all carbonation. Kind of.